DIY or die. No, that's stupid. This light fixture it was getting all over me. It's the globe thing. Globe was like the shape of a jellyfish a little bit, and it was also a gold color, so it was making the light yellowish, and I can't have that one picked out from the Home Depot. Actually, it's Lowe's. I don't know. I don't care. Until we get that bought and hung, it's more of a modern farmhouse kind of. But in the meantime, I'm gonna get rid of this gold, bronze, brown, yellow thing going on. Took the globe off. I'm pretending like this is industrial. Just go with it, okay? Left the little knob on. I painted that already. So I'm using, this is, yeah, sandy blonde in DIY paint. Putting a coat of that on first. I'm gonna hold my brush funny so I can, but I'm using my Paint Pixie brush. That's the French tip, French round, because it's a narrow area. All in these little crannies right there. No technique, just slap it on pretty much. I'm gonna go on up these. So I'm not trying to make a thick coat of any kind. What I did here is just kind of stipple it on the gray. I put this on and then stipple the gravel road over it. I will go back here and put some black wax in there for the cracks, because y'all know how I like black wax in the cracks. It's funny. 13-year-old boy. Sorry, I'm standing on the table. So, gravel road. So I'm doing this while it's still wet, which is fine, but if I don't want the colors to blend at all, I would wait till this dries. Right now I don't really care if they blend a little, but I'm actually stippling it. I think for this, just because it'd be faster on top of it, and just let it blend. And then I'm just doing this. And it looks kind of like a pottery, like it looked like this instead of this. I think maybe a dark gray. I can mix my clear wax with a little bit of letterpress gray and make a wax that's that color and put in there. I think that might look really pretty. I should make up a jingle, but I'm not good at that, so why would I think I can do that? DIY or die. No, that's stupid. Not a songwriter. Can't do it. No money in jingle writing for me. It's not good. This is good though. And then you can add colors with a wax or a glaze, or just leave it. Use a smaller chalk paint brush by Paint Pixie for this, because it still holds a ton of paint, which it doesn't look like it should, but it does. Try it, I dare you. It holds paint for days. But at the same time, it's not a thick one that will, it's just sort of wasted. It might, kind of glop paint where I don't need it. See, doesn't this make you want to paint something? It will bond to the, I almost said wood, because I'm so used to saying it will bond to the wood. I still have some spots to get. It's looking kind of cool. It's just been like 10 minutes. Of course, it would be easier to do with the light bulbs out. Am I taking them out? No. I'm gonna get it in the little cracks and crevices. Wipe it off from the raised surfaces so it's just left in the darker ones.